want to talk about this Terra Delyssa cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. This stuff is organic, absolutely phenomenal. I'm a huge fan of olive oil. I use it in cooking. I use it in pretty much everything. You can take a look at this stuff right here. As far as the viscosity wise, looks phenomenal, nice and thick, and it's got a nice mild flavor. So it's going to be good for pretty much anything from cooking, or my favorite thing to use it for, on salads. How I usually do my salads, I'll get some greens. Tonight I've got some baby spinach and some baby arugula. Add a little bit of the olive oil, follow that with my favorite balsamic. After that, usually I mix it up. Tonight I'm going to add a little bit of capers to it. I really like kind of the little bit of punch that the capers give to it, kind of a little bit of a pickle flavor. Really pairs well with the olive oil and balsamic. After that, usually kick it off with a little bit of fresh ground black pepper and a little bit of fresh ground salt. Obviously, pretty much any way you use this olive oil is going to be exceptional. This is one way that I absolutely love to do. And if you like to saute vegetables, another great option for you. Like to pick some up for yourself? Click on the link in the description below.